If you look now at the apps on your phone, like, who do you think can interact with them besides you? The surprising thing is that there is a setting inside Android that allows Google Assistant to be connected to some of the apps on your phone. But the problem isn't here. The problem is that many people don't even use Google Assistant at all, and yet these apps remain connected to it. So the real question is, if you don't even use it, why leave it connected to your apps? Let me show you where this setting is and how you could control it yourself. First, where is this setting? At the beginning, this setting will not appear with all its permissions unless you install the Google app on your device and sign in with your email. Now open the Google app. At the top of the screen, tap your Google account picture. Choose Settings. Go to Google Assistant. Scroll down a little until you find a section called Apps, or sometimes Your Apps. Here you will find a list of the apps that Google Assistant can interact with. This means the apps that the Assistant can open, execute commands inside, use when you ask it to do something. For example, if you say, open YouTube, send a WhatsApp message, play music, the Assistant can do that because it is connected to some apps. But the truth is that most people don't really use the Assistant at all. And yet this connection remains there. That's why it's a good idea to check it once and see whether you actually need it or not. If you find apps that you don't really need the Assistant to interact with, you can simply turn off that connection. The point isn't that the setting is dangerous. The point is that many people leave settings enabled even though they don't actually use them. And the more unnecessary things you reduce on your phone, the more control you have over it. Finally, now I want to ask you something. Before watching this video, did you even know that Google Assistant might be connected to some of your apps? Write in the comments, did you already know? Or is this the first time you've heard about this setting? And if you want to see more phone settings that many people leave enabled even though you can control them in seconds, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in a new video soon.